So what I had to do to fix this problem, where you try to upload a video but it does this, and you keep trying to press the button to post it, but it keeps coming up with this. So I'm going to help you fix that. And this is what I done first. I just did a little report on what the problem, and then I explained what happened. And any video I tried to upload would not work. I tried to upload different videos, random videos, just to see if it would work, but it didn't work, which means it isn't like there was something wrong with that certain video that I was trying to upload, like it thought it was bad or something. So submit it. And log out. But I make sure that I can get logged back in. So go to settings, apps, and make sure you know your password to your account, of course, before you do all this. And find Instagram. And clear data. This is the only way it was able to work. Like logging out and then logging back in did not work. I had to do this. So you go back into Instagram. And log back into your account. Now you can see that the upload button has moved there, is over there instead of here. But now you can upload a video and you're able to post it. But this will only last for a certain amount of time. When this upload button moves back to here, then when I tried to upload another video, it didn't actually work, and I had to do the same thing again. But this time, instead of reporting the button, I just went to here, settings, and just logged out, and then cleared data, and then logged back in, and then I was able to upload. But just reporting it might be able to fix it, and it might like work later, hopefully. But that's how you fix it for a certain amount of time, it seems to be for me, because later on it doesn't work. So I was back and I was just editing my video, and now I am back, and you can see that the upload button is back here. And if I try to upload a video, and you save whatever and move the cover wherever, whatever, and you upload it, and it is pretty annoying when it keeps popping up with that. And then you have to do the same thing again and go into settings, log out, apps, Instagram, storage, clear data. And then you have to log back in, and then it's fixed, but only for a certain amount of time, and you can only upload so much, and then it will happen again. And sometimes that error can pop up, but I still got logged back in, and there you go, the upload button has moved back there, and search bar is there now. I don't know why that happens, but it does. And this bug that happens only happens on this account, and it doesn't happen on my other account. I don't even know why it's doing that in the first place, but I'm hoping in a few days it would be fixed. Like, I reported it twice now. One, off camera, and one on camera. And I'm hoping they get that and fix it. And I don't know, maybe a few days it will be fixed by itself. I don't know, but for now that's what I have to keep doing if I want to upload a video. Anyway, I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you for watching.